Oh, like I said, I did just wash my hair. Ooh. And I kind of stretched it out by air drying, and also I got this right in time because after I colored my hair, I did experience some hair loss from what I can see, and I'm guessing it's just due to maybe the over processing of the bleach. I am going to be doing something else in another video, and y'all will see that probably next month. But yeah, a little refresher to my hair color. But yeah, so I'm just going to simply section my hair into 4s. Alright, so we're going to take, ooh, it has olive oil, neem oil, fenugreek, castor oil, lemongrass, peppermint. Oh, that's good for stimulating growth. Sesame seed, basil, argan oil, garlic seed, onion seed, chili. That's good for growth too. Palmetto, coconut, grapeseed, tea tree. We love to see tea tree. Love to see it. Oh, it's strong. And it has the dropper, so you just dunk it in and then boom. So we're gonna go ahead and place that in my scalp. And then I'm going to take this and I'm just gonna fast forward through me doing all the other sections of my hair. Alright, so before I get into styling my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the MannaMood pomade on my edges, just to go ahead and sleek those down before I put my perm rods on. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm just going to go along my edge line. Alright, so they look good. I'm about to go ahead and style my hair and then lay it on down, and I'll let y'all see the results after I do my hair. Alright y'all, so here are the finished results of my hair. I just did a flexi rod set, something real basic just to get me through the weekend and the week. My edges, I did go outside, but they still are very much laid. So shout out to the pomade for that. And I did slick my hair here, and it's still very, very sleek. So I am living for it. So yes, I'm going to leave the links for the kit down in the description below. Make sure you go check out MannaMood, the Cheeya Pet, I think Cheeya Pet growth collection, and go ahead and get your hair growing out. Like I said, I'll probably do a follow-up video within like probably by October to show you all how my hair is doing and if it is indeed growing, which from the results that I've seen from the company and just other testimonials, I definitely feel like my hair is going to grow out. So I'm excited to see it. I am loving kind of like this short hair a little bit, but I want my hair back. I do want my hair back. And I also used the serum, the pomade on my ends when I did my flexi rod set to kind of secure them on the rod. And y'all see that? This curl right here. Okay, I'll be talking about my hair all day long. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Make sure you check out the link down below for more details, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.